When you have those funny
Hello, guys. Okay, hello guys. Today we thought, hey, you guys like that thrift haul that he guest starred in. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna ask him questions. And this is Yoshi, and we're gonna see if he can give the answers of life.
Question number 1.
When you have those funny dreams where you kick and bark in your sleep, what are you dreaming of?
I'm kicking all the people that think getting rid of net neutrality is a good idea.
Good.
For information about blocking third-party charges and a way to prevent fraud. I thought it was something about net neutrality, and I'm like,
I thought
think
you were
I just-
asking a question. I was like,
I got a text about net neutrality. That's why I thought it was funny. Okay. Question. Are you okay, sir?
Yes, he's fine.
Okay. Oh, that's not nice.
Yes, I'm
Let me
fine.
answer.
I'm
Okay.
fine.
Okay, sir. What do I do that you like the most?
Well, you see, I don't really like any of y'all, but I guess the holding me against my will is kind of nice, except it's not at all.
That's a good boy.
But to be completely honest, the belly rubs, those are pretty nice.
Do you realize how much I love you? That you are my whole world?
I thought you hated me. That means so much. Yeah, I'll marry you.
You heard it here, folks. Diego's marrying a dog.
After my break,
Bestiality? Question mark? Clickbait of the year. Why are you just sitting up and allowing this to happen?
How? Look, sir, can you look at me, please? Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, cool. How would you describe your perfect day?
Probably when all my humans leave me. They're kind of annoying.
why does he have a different voice every time?
He's a man of many
Words.
lands.
Why are you so stressed? He's so stressed. It's because he's standing still.
Oh no, that was not a cute start.
How are you so excited to eat the same food day after day for years?
Well, since
Eats
I'm
Blue
actually
Buffalo.
oh, Blue Buffalo ad. Yeah, I love Blue Buffalo. Also Bark Box is pretty nice. Get 10% off with the code
Yoshi50.
You don't actually, cause we're not sponsored. Oh my god, you're dying. I'm sorry. Okay. He loves it.
Do you ever dream / think about your mom or brothers and sisters? That's a very dark question.
Yes, I miss them very much, but I've been #blessed to find a home where most of the people love me.
Do you think I'm an idiot for not constantly guarding our house against everyone and anything outside?
Why, of course, good sir, because I don't like barking. It hurts my throat. I'm sick.
Sounds like a dead child. Ghost.
Hold up.
Hello, this is Orlena's and Julia's corner.
Featuring
Diego's
Yoshi.
coming back, so I gotta go. Bye. What kind of life did you have before us?
I was a pimp. I was a pimp.
Oh man! You got it! Oh! You just touched my breast. My pimp days are coming back. Okay.
Do you think if you were a human, we would be best friends?
One word. No.
Do you know that you're adorable?
I mean, of course. You prove it every day.
What was that?
Oh, you just slapped me.
Are you secretly an undercover spy when I'm at
We
school?
need to freaking get the lie detector test.
Well, if it is pause.
No, but answer the question.
Are you secretly an undercover spy when I'm at school?
No.
Perry the platypus, except he's a dog. Don't look at my finger. Does anything hurt?
Yes, my heart.
My childhood.
I'm sorry, y'all had bad lives.
He's like freaking out.
What do you call yourself?
Yoshi. A man.
Riveting.
A human.
I thought you were gonna say Riverdale.
What?
He's secretly a human. I mean, I'm secretly a human. What?
If you had a job, what would it be?
A university professor.
Okay. What would you teach?
Fetch. And sit.
Sorry. Oh, I didn't know we were recording. What is your name for me?
The friend that randomly comes to my house to see me every week.
You right.
For our last and final question, Yoshi, my man. Who is your favorite from the house?
Diego, obviously.
Why?
Because he takes me on a walk every day and refills my food bowl.
Heard it here, folks. He's the favorite. He also said he was the favorite. World may never know who the true favorite is. But for now, just stay.
Yay.
Calm down.
Stop stressing.
Okay, bye.
Okay, guys, that's what we have for you this week. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. All that other
I
YouTubers
know
ask you for.
it was very riveting and very honest, and things were exposed.
So yeah. Hope you liked it. Give it a like. Subscribe. Since we'd be getting,
Give it a thumbs up, because I don't have one.
Tell your dogs about this.
Ask them these questions. Tell us their responses.
Yeah, send us video responses.
Actually comment.
Yeah, comment, guys. We've been getting a lot of hate in the comments.
Selfish.
Yeah, and it's very bad for our self-esteem.
Oh, you stayed. Well, that's it. Okay, bye.